Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.9, Problem 10. This is Section 2.9, Problem 10. We have 5 minus 3/4. So it's a whole number 5 minus 3/4. So for some people, they just see easily the answer is 4 1/4. Other people, it's not as obvious. So the problem with this, you don't have anything to subtract from in terms of the fraction. So this 5, this is a case where we can borrow. Let's make this 5 into a 4. And, oops. We have 5 and 4 over 4. So I want to match the same denominator. So 4 over 4 is a 1. So it's still 4 and 1 more is 5. But in this form, I have the fractions lined up to subtract. And again, I made that 1 because 4 and 1 more is a 5. I made it in the form 4 over 4 because my common denominator needed to be a 4. If the other fraction had a denominator of, say, 8, it'd be 8 over 8. If the other fraction had a denominator of, say, 17, it would be 17 over 17. In this case, it's a 4, so I made 4 over 4. It's a 1, but now everything lines up. So my common denominator is 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. Common denominator is 4. And then 4, because again, we had to reduce it, minus nothing is just 4. So the answer is 4 1/4.